Dude, I'm not gonna lie, I love the Black Prince. It's actually pretty cool.
I'm not looking forward to having it. The only reason I'm gonna go through it is to get to the damn whatever that thing's called. The Carnivon. Yeah. A word that no one seems to know.
Your face, no one seems to know.
Are you kidding me? Like, really? Fucker.
Well, that was awesome.
You dead?
No, had a clear shot at a TD who was out in the open, and I was shot way over him.
Well done. Creps and I are just nibbling at people over here.
Right, look away again, please.
Wow, auto aim actually didn't let me down. Tag, you're it.
Shit, look to our left. Look behind him.
Oh, son of a bitch. Alright. Well, you know what? Make sure that KV1 done. Oh, there you go. We got him. Alright, let's go tuck into the wall over here on the right. Oh, here they come. Oh god, oh god, oh god. That gun hurts. That gun hurts. Oh, he's looking at me. Oh god. Yeah! See that shit? That was fucking awesome. And he's coming for me, so you're safe. Go for him. You don't want to mess with these woots, dude. Fuck you up. Oh god. Oh god, you fucked that woot up. That's not good. That's not good. Oh shit.
We win anyways.
Oh god, hopefully we win in time. I want to survive. I want to survive.
Yay!
Yes. Oh, that was fun, Creps.